Yeah. So children, we were discussing compound interest. So now compound interest part 7 children, we are doing reverse compound interest sums. In this, the first sum children today. The first sum. Uh, so children here they are giving like this. First sum. The difference between simple interest and compound interest is in what time, in how much time the interest on the yeah, the difference between simple interest and compound interest. Okay, the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on certain sum of money, we don't know how much is that. For a period of 2 years, at rate of 4% per annum is 20 rupees. So what is the principle?
So first we'll write compound interest formula, which is amount minus principal.
Okay, amount minus principal minus S is equal to 20.
P is equal to 20.
Okay.
Amount formula for compound interest is
Okay. Amount. What is the amount formula?
P
Principal.
into 1 plus R by 100 to the power T.
Okay.
Minus P. Minus PTR by 100 is equal to 20.
Is equal to 20. Yeah.
Now we'll put the values T and N and solve.
Yeah. So how much will take P?
So P will take P only, sir, because it's not given.
Yeah. So 1 plus?
P into 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 2 minus P minus P into 2 into 4 by 100 is equal to 20.
Okay, do keep saying.
P into 104 by 100 square minus P minus
8 by 100?
8P by 100. 0.08 P is equal to 20.
8 by 100 is 0.08. Okay.
Yeah, 8 by 100 is 0.08.
And this is?
1.04 square minus P minus 0.08.
Okay. Next. 1.04 into 1.04?
Doing.
Anyone?
1.0816, sir.
1.0816. This and this is 1
minus 1.08 P.
Okay, this take P common. 1.0816 minus 1.0816.
0.0016
is equal to 20.
20.
Yeah.
So we come down and P is equal to 20 by 0.0016.
Okay. So principal is equal to 20 by 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much will be? 16, 1 the 16, 16 to the 16.
Sir, 12,500.
12,500 rupees is the principal. Yeah, children, that is first sum. Okay, next sum. Prabhatika, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Next chance, Prabhatika. Yeah. Prabhatika. What is the question means they are asking? Find the rate of interest per annum. Find the rate of interest per annum for rupees 2000, which is amounting to rupees 2315.25 in a year and a half. In 1.5 year, compounded half yearly. Yeah, get turn on first.
Sir, 1 by 2 is equal to 3 half yearly.
Yeah, Nana. So 1.5 years means in 3.5 years. So here I'll put 3.5 years. Okay. Then
To A to 2001 315.25 is equal to 2000 into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of 3.
all to the power of 3. And R also we should take by 3, no, by 2, because in 1 year we want rate per
Sir, by 200, sir.
by 200. Here we should take by 200 because rate of interest will take by 2, no, Nana.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, can't we divide it by 2 at the last when we get the final answer?
We will get another, but better let us follow. If we get anything wrong again, that's it. 1 plus r by 2.
R by 200 whole to the power of 3.
This point, if I move down, 2 zeros will come.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is equal to 1 plus r by 200 whole cube.
Power of 3.
Okay, so whole cube is there. So what we will do is 5 4s are so 5 4s are 20, 5 6s are 30, 5 3s are 0s are 5s are.
4, 3, 5.
So I got 4 6 3 0 5 by 1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 plus r by 100 something to the power of 3 will come nana I will say. So 5 8s are 5 9s are 45
9261.
5 3s are 50 5 9 3s
9261, sir.
9 2 oh yeah 9261
Yes, sir.
by 8000 nana see 9261 is whose cube anyone whose cube is 9261. This is 20 cube now. This is 20 cube.
21 cubes. 91.
Yeah, 21 cube. Very good. 21 cube is 961 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 3. 3 3 gone. 21 by 20 is equal to 1 plus r by 100. 1 comes here, children. 21 by 20 minus 1 is equal to r by 100, children. So now what do you get, children? 20 is the LCM. 20 is the LCM. 21 minus 20 is equal to r by 100. Okay, 1 by 20 is equal to r by 100. 100 goes here. R is equal to
Sir, R by 200, sir.
r by 200.
Yes, sir.
R by 200. Yes. R by 200.
10.
200 by 20, 10%. Yeah, thank you, Nana. Thank you for reading. Yeah, next one, Nandika.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready? Yeah, children, next one. See here, third step today. So, Nandika, you'll done. Next step. Find the rate at which, find the rate again. Sum of money is there, will be doubled. The sum of money will be doubled itself in 3 years, compounded annually. Means if you want to double your principal in 3 years only, what should be the rate of interest? Yeah, tell Nandika. Amount is equal to?
Yes, sir. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of N.
Okay.
2P is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of 3. 2P, PP cancels. So 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole cube.
Okay.
Sir, 2 is equal to 100 R by 100 whole cube.
No, 1 second. So 2 into here, 1 second. And find the rate of if the 200 amounts to, yeah. Find the rate at which a sum of money will double itself in 3 years. The interest is compounded annually. Yeah, annually. So 3 comes here.
Root 3.
Cube root of 3 to 1
3.
plus
R by 100.
1 plus r by 100 doubles itself. I am telling correctly. Because double itself in 3 years. Cube root of 2 is there. 1 second. Cube root of 2 is this is 16. So I'll check the question correctly. What is cube root of 2? Square root of 2 is this is cube root of 2. Anyone can do it now?
So 1.141.
No, that is square root. Square root of 2 is 1.4.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, cube root of 2 minus 1 is equal to r by 100.
Sir, cube root of 2 is 1.2.
1.25,
1.25.
yeah? Cube root of 2?
Yes, sir. 1.26, sir.
1.25?
1.26, sir, because 1.259999.
1.25 minus 1. This is correct. Okay, tell me the 3 4 digits. 1.25?
9921.
1.2599 minus 1 is equal to r by 100. Yeah. Now this will be how much now?
0.2599.
0.25
2599
is equal to r by
r
100.
by 100.
R is equal to 25.9.
25.99.
Fantastic. This is correct. This is correct.
26%, sir.
Yeah. At this rate of interest, children, in 3 years, amount doubles. At this rate of interest, almost 26%. If you charge, then amount gets doubled in 3 years. Yes, children. The answer is correct in addition. Check. Okay. So cube root of 2, children, 1.2598. You should remember.
Any sum of amount, sir.
Amma?
Any sum of amount gets doubled.
Yeah. Yes. Any sum. No, mute your audio. No, because so much disturbance is there. Yeah. Next. Who is next? Who should be next, Amma? Yeah, Harsha, are you there? Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Find the rate at which a sum of money. Okay. Find the rate at which sum of money becomes. Now, Harsha, mute your audio. So much disturbance in this. Mute your audio. Find the rate of interest at which the sum of money becomes 4 times the original in 2 years. Wait, Nana, you mute your audio. In 2 years, compounded half year. In 2 years, compounded half year. Yeah, tell Nana.
Sir, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n, sir. So T is equal to 2, A is equal to 4P, sir. 4P is equal to P whole power 1 plus R by 100 whole power 2, sir. 4, sir. 4, sir. 4, sir.
No, mute your audio. No, I'm getting a lot of disturbance. I'm not able to. Please mute your audio. So, children, in 2 years, 4 half years will be there. This gone. 4 is equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of 4 children. So, in 4 half years, or else what we'll do is, 4 becomes, again, it will become very tough. 2 only we will take, children. After getting
R by 200 no sir, because half yearly.
R by 200, yes, because half yearly R by 200 correct formula, no? What you said, 100%. So what we will do, we'll find out normally. Yeah, this will come here. 4 to the power of 4th root of 4 is coming now. Is equal to 1 plus R by 200 is coming. It will become difficult. What we will do, children, we'll find normally and then we'll convert, children. So amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n, children. So 4p is equal to p into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of 2 we will do. Later we'll convert it to half years. We will see whether it will come correctly or not. I will check. Now square, if it comes here, root, children. Root 4 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. So 2 is equal to 1 plus R by 100. This comes here, 1 is equal to R by 100. This comes here, R is equal to 100. 100%, but it's not coming correct now. We should do like this only. 4th root of 4 only is correct. No. This is only correct. 100% rate of interest, they will go mad, they will become bankrupt. Okay. 4th root of 4 is equal to 1 plus R by 200. 4th root of 4, children. So, children, 4th root of 4 means, see here. This is, see here, children. This is 2 square. Power of 4 will become 1 by 4 is equal to 1 plus r by 200. This is becoming 1 by 2. Yes. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus r by 200. Please try to understand. 1 by 2 means root 2 children. Root 2 is equal to 1 plus r by 200.
Say
Children, what is it?
1.414.
Yeah, 1.414.
1.4.
R by 200. This is equal to 0.414 is equal to R by 200. This goes here. Now it is a 0.414 into 200. How much is that, children? 414 by 1000 into 100, 200. How much is that, children? This gone.
282.84.
818 by 10. That is rate of interest should be 81.8%.
Sir, and rate of interest పడతారా?
అంత రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా రాదు అసలు. చూస్తాను, అందుకే నేను చెక్ చేస్తాను. అంత రేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా చచ్చిపోతారు జనాలు.
Sir, fourth root of 4 or 4 root of 4? Sir, what is it in?
This I wrote wrong. Here I wrote wrong. Fourth root of 4 I wrote as 2 square. 4 I wrote as 2 square to the power of 1 by 4.
To the power, yes.
Correct, sir.
This is correct only I wrote. This if it comes 0.1414 and into 200, that is rate of interest here. Yeah, everything we did correct only. Let me check the answer. 17th question. Yes, no, 82.84%. Correct only answer.
Sir, you wrote 81, sir. Because 2 into 4.414 is 8.
2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Okay. 82.8%.
Sir,
Correct
that
only.
much rate who will put, sir?
Huh?
That much rate will come, sir.
No problem, children. This is correct only. Next, sir. Sujit, are you there? Sujit, are you there? Next, Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please tell them some. A certain sum amounts to, some amount of money is there. It amounts to 5832 in 2 years at 8% compound interest. Find its sum.
Sir, amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of N. 5832 is equals to P into 1 plus 8 by 100 whole square. 5832 is equals to P into 108 by 100 whole square. 5832 is equals to P into 108 by 108 into 108 divided by 100 into 100.
This goes up, this comes down. So principal is equal to
P is equals to 5832 into 100 into 100 divided by 108 into 108.
okay. Can anyone help me? 180 to 108, how much?
7,644, sir.
7,644.
11,000, sir.
11. No, total I want. Total.
Sir, total is 5,000, sir.
Total is 5,000. Eh?
Useful.
5,000 rupees is the principal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thanks. Next, Rishikesh, are you there? Rishikesh.
Yes, sir.
Ready? Remaining students, video audios. I did some. No, sir. 6. Yeah. The difference between compound interest and simple interest. Difference between compound interest and simple interest. Okay. Is 360. Okay, for 2 years. For 2 years, at the rate of 7.5% per interest. 7.5% per annum. The difference between compound interest and simple interest from certain 2 years is 360. Find the sum. You have to find the sum.
Yes, sir. Compound interest we can write as amount minus principal.
Okay.
Then SI is equals to PTR by 100.
Keep saying.
Then is equals to 360. Amount is equals to P into 1 plus 7.5 by 100 whole to the power 2 minus P into 7.5 into 2 by 100 is equals to 360.
Okay.
P into 107.5 by 100 whole to the power 2 minus P minus P into 0.15 is
2
equals
into
to
7.5 is 15. 15 by 100 is 0.15.
yes.
Can anyone help me? 1.075 into 1.075 children? 1.075 into 1.075.
1.15562.
Sir, 1.155625.
625. Yeah, children. Take P common. Take P common.
Yes sir, 1 point P into 1.555625 minus 1.15 is equals to 360. Then 1 0.005625 is equals to 360. Then
Okay.
P is equals to 360 by 0.5625.
Okay, 0.5625.
25.
Okay, so
So
360 into
to
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6
2,
into
3, 4, 5,
1 lakh
6 by 5, 6,
5625.
2, 5. So P is
Sir,
5.
64,000.
Answer
Yes
is
sir,
64,000.
64,000.
Thank you. Next one. Anu, next Anu.
Yes, sir.
Very irregular Anu. Here. There's a difference between simple interest and compound interest. Same sum. Difference between compound interest and simple interest. On some 6.2 by 3%. Rate of interest is 6.2 by 3% for the period of 3 years. For a period of 3 years. For a period of 3 years is 46 rupees. Can you tell me?
Sir, A minus P minus P into PTR by 100 equals to 46.
Keep saying.
P into 20 by 3, 1 plus 20 by 300 whole to the power cube minus P into by 300 was
PTR by 100. Yeah. Keep saying. 320.
320 by 300 whole power cube minus
Okay.
P and
Okay. So can anyone say 32 by 30 whole cube? Children, can anyone say 32 into 32 into 32 by 27,000?
1.1377 1.13 sir, there are many sevens, sir. We could write it as
1.13?
377.
8 will write. 8 P 1.138 1.13
1.13 it's there, sir.
okay, leave it 1.138 P minus 1.2 P is equal to 46. Yeah, this minus this you should do. So how much it will be? 1.138 minus 1.200. How much? 83 0.9. 0.938 P is equal to 46. This comes here. P is equal to 46 by 0.938. How much amount that is? Can anyone help me? 46,000 by 938. Can anyone help me?
Sir, 49.04051172.
Correctly, 46,000 by 938. Anyone? Yes, children.
49.04.
How much?
49.04.
49.040511.
No, like that won't come. 3375 should come. We did somewhere wrong, I think. So it should come 3375. Later you check children where
Yes,
will
sir,
be
the cube is wrong. Here, 32 into 32 into 32 divided by 30 into 30 into 30. That answer is wrong, sir.
This should be correct. If this is correct, then everything will come correct, children. This you do correctly, children. Okay. Next one. Next one. Meghana, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Meghana. See the sum. Ishita invested a certain sum of rupees 1,20,000. She invested 1,20,000. No, just 12,000. Just 12,000. She invested 12,000 at the 5% rate of interest, 5% per annum rate of interest compounded. Okay, then the amount is 13230. Amount is 13230. Okay, compounded interest. She received the amount of 13230 after some years. How time is asking? In how many years she will receive this much amount? Diana, tell.
Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of n.
Okay.
Amount is equal to 12,000 in 13,230 into 12,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 whole to the power of n. 13,230 by 12,000 is equal to 1 plus 5 by 100, 105 by 100 whole to the power of n. By 1200, 12 into 100 is equal to 105 by 100 whole to the power of n.
Okay, 12 ones are 12. 12. Okay, it won't go. It won't go. 12 ones are 12. No, it won't go. Yeah, the 1323 by 1200 is not going.
Then we could take 3, sir.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Not like that.
3 means 4 for 180.
1323 by 1200. No, children. So
Sir, 3 means 441 by 481. Sir.
with 3 table, huh?
Yes, sir.
441 by 400.
400.
And
Okay.
then we could take it as a pi table.
21 by 20 whole square is
5
equal
to the 1 is 520. Okay, 21 by 20.
21 by 20 to whole to the power of n. N is equal to 2
In
years.
2 years. Time is equal to 2 years because it is compounded and thank you. Thank you, children. Next. Hansika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Hansika, please tell us study your income. At what rate of interest? You have to find out rate of interest, Hansika. At what rate of interest per annum will sum of 4,000? There is 4,000 rupees. Okay, sum of 4,000 yield a compound interest of 410. Compound interest of 410 in 2 years. Yes, Nartal. Compound interest formula.
Amount minus principal.
Okay, keep saying.
410 is equals to p into 1 plus r by 100 n minus p.
Okay.
410 is equals to 4,000 into 1 plus r by 100 to the whole square minus p.
Okay.
4.
This
410
this 4,000 you send here. 4410
is equals to 4,000 into 1 plus r by 100 whole square. 4410 divided by 4,000
No, you mute your audio, no, please, because it is disturbing. Okay. So children, you will get a 441 by 400 is equal to 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power of 2. This 2 if I bring here, will become square root, children. Whenever I bring square here, it will become square root. 1 plus r by 100, children. This is 21 by 20.
4,000 left తెచ్చినప్పటి నుంచి 4410 రాశారు సార్.
ఏంటమ్మా
సార్ 4,000 ఇటు సైడ్ తెచ్చిన లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ తెచ్చినప్పుడు 4410 చేశారు సార్.
4410
410 సార్ అది.
410 అవునా 4000 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు 4000 plus 410. This is minus, no? If it
Okay,
comes here, it
okay.
becomes plus. So 21 minus 20 minus 1 is equal to R by 100. Children, see here. 20 is equal to 21 minus 20 is equal to R by 100. Yeah, 1 by 20 is equal to R by 100, children. Bring here, R is equal to 5% is the rate of interest, children. Anyone I didn't ask children today? Anyone? Children, I didn't ask anyone. Yeah, Vedant, are you there? This fellow won't be there now. Pravalika, are you there? Pravalika, are you there? Nandika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
A sum of money deposited at 2% per annum compounded annually becomes 10404 at the end of 2 years. Question is find the principal. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power of n. Amount is 10,404 into is equal to P into 1 plus 2 by 100 whole to the power of 10.
Okay.
Whole square. P is equal to 102 by 100 whole square.
Okay. Can anyone say 102 into 102 how much, children? 102 into 102 anyone?
Sir,
10404.
Okay. So 102 into 102, children. 102 into 102. So principal 10,000 is the answer.
The 10,404.
What 10,404, Nana?
102 into 102.
Yeah, 102 into 102 is I am cancelling both.
10,004.
This and this are cancelling. 102 into 102 is 10,404. So the rest amount left over is 10,000. Yeah. Next one. Harsha, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Harsha. Sujit, are you there? Sujit? Sujit, are you there? In how much time? Yeah. In how much time will a sum of rupees 1,600 will amount to 1852.20 at the rate of 5% per annum? Yeah, Harsha.
Yes, sir. Sir, amount is equal to P minus P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. Sir. Amount is equal to 1852.20 is equal to 1,600 whole 1 plus 5 by 100 whole power.
No, lot of disturbance is there. Yeah. Tell this one. Yeah.
1,852.20 minus 6 is equal to 105 by 100 whole power n.
Okay. This point if I remove.
Sir, 2 zeros.
Yeah. Tell me.
2 by 16,000 is equal to 105 by 100 whole power n. Sir.
Okay. So what we will do now? This is 2 8s, 2 9s, 2 2s, 2 6s, 1s. So 9261 by 8,000 is equal to, this is 521s, 520s. 21 by 20 whole to the power of n. Yeah, Nana, anyone? This is?
Sir, cube I think, sir.
21 by 20 whole cube is equal to 21 by 20 whole.
Base are equate the power. Sir, n is equal to 2.
So answer is n is equal to
3, sir.
3, yes. Thank you. Next. Raghuram, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, children. Next Raghuram, get ready.